I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a Telegram channel. First, open your Telegram application and locate the new message icon, often a pencil or square with a pencil. Tap this icon, then choose New Channel from the menu that appears. Next, you will need to provide a name for your channel and a brief, informative description. This helps potential subscribers understand your channel's purpose right away. After naming your channel, you'll decide its privacy setting, public or private. A public channel is discoverable through Telegram's search function, and anyone can join. Conversely, a private channel is a closed community, requiring an invite link to gain access. You can always change this setting later if your needs evolve. Now it's time to customize your channel. If you chose a public channel, you can create a unique, memorable public link. This link makes it easy for people to find and join. Don't forget to upload a profile picture. A clear image helps establish your channel's identity. You can also appoint administrators and define their specific permissions to help manage your channel effectively. With your channel set up, the next step is to grow your audience. You can invite up to 200 initial subscribers directly from your phone's contact list. Beyond that, share your channel's invite link across other social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Remember, consistent posting of valuable and engaging content is key to retaining subscribers and encouraging organic growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.